These are my puppies playing. Actually, only one of them's mine. The golden retriever is mine. The black one's this lady's dog. I'm supposed to walk, but it's rainy. So she just lets him come in here and play. Gets him the same amount of exercise. The fuck's in her mouth? See, my dog annoys the hell out of her. He ain't got no game. Yep. Whoa. What the fuck? I've never seen him do that before. What is he trying to... He's just a puppy. He's just a puppy. What is he trying to... Whoa. They played a lot of times. He's never done that before. Yo, this is gonna get flagged for inappropriate content. Look at him. What are you doing, Cooley? Leave the poor girl alone. Oh, God. Cooley. He only got one thing on his mind right now. Oh, what the fuck? Those are my play shoes. They're Jordans, though. They're nice. I like them. I like them. Damn.